Hi, everyone, and welcome to the final episode of Social Advertising for Franchises 101. Over this series, we've explored every key part of meta advertising, from setting up campaigns and defining audiences, to building creative, tracking conversions, and optimizing for growth. In this last episode, we're tying it all together by showing you how to create a simple reporting and learning routine, something you can do month after month to keep your ads improving. Because great advertisers don't guess, they learn, adjust, and grow. Why does reporting matter? Meta, Flamel AI, every ad platform gives you tons of data, but not every number matters equally. Reporting is about understanding the story behind the numbers, what's working, what's not, and what to do next. Whether you manage your ads yourself or your franchisor or agency handles them for you, reviewing your results regularly keeps you in control and ensures your marketing aligns with your business goals. First, create a simple review habit. Here's an easy rhythm that works for most franchisees. Weekly check-ins. Make sure your campaigns are running correctly and spending as expected every week. Look for any sudden drops or spikes in results, and pause underperforming ads or adjust what's needed. Now, once we get into a monthly review, month over month, you should ask yourself which campaigns performed best, which audiences or creatives drove the most conversions, and how did your cost per result compare to last month. You can do all of this in the Meta Ads Manager or easily within the Flamel AI analytics platform. Next, make sure you just focus on the results that matter to you. When reviewing your data, make sure they're the ones that are directly tied to business outcomes. Ad spend and budget. Are you spending efficiently? We don't want to waste money. Impressions and CPM. Are your ads reaching enough people, and at what cost? Clicks and click-through rate. Once we've reached those people, are they engaging with the message? Results and cost per result. Are you getting the right outcomes for your money? And then conversions and conversion rates. Are clicks turning into those leads, orders, and visits that we want? These are the health indicators of your campaigns. You don't need to be an analyst. Just watch for the trends and changes within those to see if your ads need to improve or are doing better than they ever have before. Over time, you'll start to notice what works best for your location. Maybe weekends perform better than weekdays. Maybe video outperforms static images. Or maybe a certain audience or zip code consistently converts better. Write those learnings down each month, even if it's just a few bullet points. That's how you build your playbook to make better and smarter advertising decisions in the future. Next, always share and collaborate. We like to push on this because it is a franchise. If your franchisor or agency supports your advertising, share your observations. Local feedback helps corporate teams see what's working on the ground and helps them design better campaigns for everyone. And if your franchisor shares reports with you, don't just skim them. Ask questions, get clarity, and discuss opportunities for improvement. Better communication always leads to better marketing. Build on the successes you achieve. Once you find a winning formula with this month-over-month review, maybe it's creative or an audience that works best. Replicate it. Run a new version of it for new audiences or nearby areas. That's scaling done smartly. You want to expand successfully without starting over with a new message, new creative, or new audience. And always, always, always have a long-term mindset. Think of meta advertising as a loop. You launch, you measure, you learn, you adjust, and you repeat. Every campaign is going to teach you something new. The more consistently you follow that loop, the more confident and effective your advertising becomes, and the more results you'll see over time. To wrap up the series, let's take a step back. Over these 10 episodes, you've learned how to understand the structure of meta campaigns, target the right audiences, create strong, effective ad creative, read your performance metrics with confidence, optimize, scale, and localize your ads, stay compliant with brand standards, and finally, build a routine that helps you keep improving month after month. That's the foundation for a successful, sustainable advertising strategy for your franchise. You don't have to be a digital marketing expert, you just have to know the fundamentals, stay curious, and keep learning from your results. And I want to take an opportunity to thank you for joining us for the Social Advertising for Franchises 101 series. We hope this series has helped you feel more confident and capable in managing your meta advertising, whether you're running ads yourself, partnering with an agency, or taking guidance from your franchisor's marketing team. If you'd like to make your process even easier and your analytics more understandable, reach out to us here at Flamel AI. It's all we focus on. My name is Paul, the founder and CEO, and I appreciate the time you've taken to learn alongside me, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.